Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 31st of July, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the decision by the U.S. Federal Reserve to hold interest rates steady is an ongoing obstacle for the struggling clean energy industry. With borrowing costs in the U.S. now seemingly stuck between 4.25 and 4.5% and renewable energy tax credits on the chopping block, project financing conditions are looking increasingly grim. But sudden, deep cuts in interest rates by the end of 2025 would set off a rush for equipment and labor that would drive total project costs up and cut into returns. The Ministry of Mines and Energy is leading the implementation of the 6 gigawatt plus strategy in Colombia. The initiative has led the National Environmental Licensing Authority to grant 57% more environmental licenses for clean energy projects compared to previous governments. With 23 new projects currently under evaluation, the goal is to double the total number of licenses granted by August 2026. As of the end of June 2025, Turkey's installed electricity capacity reached 119,632 megawatts. Renewable energy corresponded to 60.9% of that total. Solar power is 19.2% of total installed capacity, and wind power is 11.3%. Wind and solar power accounted for 29.6% of total electricity production, marking an all-time high on a monthly basis. Finland's wind power production dropped sharply in July, according to grid operator Fingrid. Only a quarter of the country's installed wind energy capacity was in use for most of the month. Finland has an installed wind capacity totaling 8,885 megawatts. In July, generation was among the weakest recorded due to prevailing weather conditions. To offset the shortfall, grid operators increased hydroelectric output and ramped up electricity imports from Sweden. In the first half of this year, China added 51.39 gigawatts of new grid-connected wind power capacity. That includes 48.9 gigawatts of onshore wind power and 2.49 of offshore. By the end of June 2025, China's cumulative grid-connected wind power capacity reached 573 gigawatts. That is a year-on-year increase of 22.7%. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.